All right, today I'm gonna show you how destructuring props works with TypeScript in React. So let's say we have a button in here. We're gonna make a shared component button, but for now we just write the code in the app.tsx, and in here we want to do something in here. So let's bring in a state is clicked, set is clicked, use state, and it's gonna be false. Default. We can put in boolean in here, and when the button is clicked, we want to set is clicked to the opposite of the is clicked. So we're basically toggling the is clicked from false to true and true to false. And this way we can do anonymous function instead, so we don't have to come up with the function name, since it's quite basic. So in here we have the click me, and we can check the state by just opening the component here, press app, and then it's true now. If I click, it's gonna turn to false, and if I click again, it's gonna turn to true. So let's say I want to change the background color for this button. We can do inline CSS. So I just write style, and it's gonna take in an object, and in here I just do background color red, for example. So now it's red all the time. So in here we want to put some ternary. We do is clicked. If it's true, then it's gonna be red. Otherwise, it's gonna be false. So we need to pass in an empty object in here. That's how you do inline styling in React. So if I refresh the page, it is the default color for the button, and if I click it, it's gonna turn red. Click it again, it's gonna turn false and the default color. If I click again, it's gonna turn red and the state's gonna go true. So now I have this button finished. I want to create a folder, shared components, for example, and in here I do button.tsx. You can have it side by side. Export conf button, return, and in here I just return everything. So now I'm gonna show you how to do the TypeScript interface and pass it in as props. So I just write interface, button, and then props. And in here is clicked is a boolean, and set is clicked. It takes in, it's a function, and it's gonna take it is clicked as a boolean and return void. And in here, I'm gonna specify this as react.fc as functional component. Oops. Where I pass in my interface, and in here I make an object to destructure the props. I just write is clicked in here, and then set is clicked right now. Does this work? It does. But I haven't saved it. So there's no button in here. I want to use my reusable button I just made. So I just do button. And now it's gonna complain because I cannot find it, import it. And now it's gonna hint me to add the missing attribute. And then in here I just passed in is clicked. And in the function I just pass in set is clicked. So if I test the code and it works. So now I have made a button that I can reuse every time in my React project. And then the required props for the button is clicked, which takes in a boolean, and set is clicked, a function that takes in is clicked as a boolean, as an argument, and return void. And if I just show the VS Code, the code looks like this. It looks quite clean. So I can just, yeah, that's how you destructure props with TypeScript in React. Thank you for watching.